Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hairdryer.com, your luxury all-inclusive specialist, and today I'm at the beautiful adults-only LeBlanc Spa Resort Los Cabos, and we're in a junior suite. Let me show you what it's all about. So as you head on in, this is the door where you would come in. Opens up, you've got a full safe, big enough for a laptop. You also have your slippers, golf umbrella, storage above and below. Keep in mind that they do provide 2 complimentary pressings for you. On this side right here, you're gonna have your ironing board, an iron, and more storage as well. One great feature that I really like is this do not disturb or make up my room sign. When you actually hit the do not disturb, it disables the key entry, so you're the only one that can come in, so it actually locks the door for you as well. Now as we continue into the space, you can see right here is where you've got your full setup. You've got a mini bar underneath that gets replenished daily and it's stocked when you arrive. Down below you've got your ice bucket, more waters, and then in here you're gonna have all your snacks, once again replenished daily, and then the Lavazza coffee that goes with the machine. 2 nice little gifts here that they provide for everyone when they arrive. You've got the tequila, which you can take with you, of course consume here if you'd like. You also have the wine, and then up here you have full-size alcohol bottles if you would like to partake. So moving into the main space, you see that this is a really open and spacious option here. All the way to the end, you've got this large sofa, the small coffee table that can also double for coffee or having a meal. Right here, you've got another space that you can have as a writing desk looking out at the ocean view, or another great place to eat using that 24-hour complimentary room service menu. You got your plugs over there, USB, HDMI that goes with the TV in case you want to mirror something, and you do have your aromatherapy. A lot of storage underneath here, and then you always get your LeBlanc tote every single time that you stay. So now we're headed into the bedroom space. I did want to point out these really comfy mats. I love having them here, also in the bathroom as well, just another comfort touch that they do really well with. You've got your US plug, 2 USB plugs, and then the clock that also works as a Bluetooth speaker if you'd like. Reading lights on the side of the bed, incredibly comfortable sheets. In fact, one of the best night's sleep I've ever had, the mattress as well. There's a little bit of a topper under there. You're also gonna have your cordless phone right here, more plugs, and then the light switch. It actually turns off all the lights in the entire room. That's a great feature. You've got your thermostat over here where you can adjust the temperature, Celsius and Fahrenheit. And then right here, you're gonna have the remote for the fan, and you also have the remote for the big screen TV that's just across from the bedroom. But another fantastic feature is from the bed, you get that beautiful view out at the Pacific Ocean. All right, so now we're gonna head into the bathroom. You've got a clothes hamper. I really love that for the towels. And then right here, you have a beautiful pedestal soaking tub that was actually big enough for me. And one of my favorite features is you can have your butler draw a bath for you. They'll also pack and unpack and take care of all the little details that you'll need while you're on your trip. Right here, you have this great memory foam rug. I really like that. It's just those little touches that make all the difference. You've got some great amenity kits there, the full-size BVLGARI bath amenities as well, and those are fantastic. You've got your makeup mirror there, backlit and magnified. And then on the other side, I love this, you've got the extreme double vanity here. Been married for a while myself. Over here, you've got the same exact setup, BVLGARI bath amenities, and then the shower. I'm a big guy. I really love that I can move around in here, and this huge rainforest shower head above me. You've got the shower wand, and this adjusts all the way up as well. So just the little touches that make a big difference to me. You do have the nice bench. You can use that if you want to shave, of course, or sit and soak under there. And then right here, you also have the clothesline that opens up so that you can hang your bathing gear when you're done swimming. So now I'm headed out to the most impressive feature in the suite, and it is of course the incredible view from the balcony. You've got a full table here, once again, that massive room service menu. It's really good. And then over here you have a large day bed that's perfect for 2 people. And then as we continue around the other side, what's unique about this particular one is that it does actually wrap around. So you've got some nice plants up here, and then you have a wraparound so you have an additional view to both sides. Now the junior suites are all on the end cap, so you know if you purchase a junior suite here, this is the exact view that you're gonna get. So when you're ready to book this incredible suite or any suite at LeBlanc Los Cabos or LeBlanc Cancun, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive specialists, and we know that we can create the vacation of a lifetime for you at an incredible value.